In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your task list in ClickUp, follow the on-screen highlights to adjust the view, and jump into the right space so you can get straight to work without hunting around. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to the list view that shows all tasks for your workspace. Look for the left-hand sidebar, then choose the area where your tasks live. At the top of the screen, you'll see the breadcrumb path that confirms where you are. Make sure it shows you're in the list view for all tasks in your current workspace. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top to find All Tasks. Then switch to List View so you get a clean, spreadsheet-style layout. Next, follow the first highlighted prompt you see on the screen. Click it to reveal the view controls. These highlights guide you through the essential settings, such as the view switcher, filters, and sorting. When the second highlight appears, click that as well. This usually opens a drop-down or a panel where you can confirm you're looking at the correct location and view. Continue by clicking the next highlighted control the video points out. Think of these highlights as a guided tour. Each one helps you dial in the exact scope of work you want to see. If a menu opens, don't worry. Just keep your focus on the highlighted area and confirm the selection. If you're prompted to expand a section, click the small arrow to reveal nested folders or lists. Keep following the highlights as they appear. Click again to open any additional options the guide shows. Then confirm the selection so your list view updates. If your columns shift or your filters activate, that means you're on the right track. Now, click the highlighted space or project area shown in the video to jump into the place where your work actually lives. This step takes you from a broad, workspace-wide view into the specific space you need. Once inside, click the next highlight to confirm the correct view is active, such as List, and to ensure the content loads as expected. Finally, select the last highlighted control to apply the settings or open the selected list. You should now see the tasks you're looking for, organized in list view and scoped to the right place. If you want to revisit this setup later, consider starring the view to save time. And remember, you can adjust columns or filters the same way you just did, by clicking the highlighted controls as they appear in the interface. That's it. You're ready to navigate your tasks smoothly in ClickUp.